Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Well, hi, and welcome back to the show. Here I've got my son Nicholas with me, and he's going to tell us what he wants for Christmas. What do you want for Christmas this year, buddy?
Christmas tree.
You want a Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we've already got one of those. So, what else do you want?
Snacks.
You want snacks?
Yes.
You want snacks for Christmas?
No. Snacks.
You want snacks now. Nicholas, what are some of the toys that you want this year? What's like your favorite toy?
Snacks.
Snacks?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, what, like toys? Do you want a toy?
No.
No?
Snacks.
See? It's all about snacks this year. We don't want any toys.
I want snacks.
Do you want a bike?
No.
Do you want a basketball?
No. It's a baseball.
You want a baseball?
No.
You want
Snacks.
you want a Ninja Turtle?
No. It's a chill.
You want a stuffed animal?
No. A snacks.
A wrestling guy?
Snacks. Snacks.
Do you want anything other than snacks?
Yes.
Like what?
I want snacks.
You just want snacks?
Yes.
What about, do you want, like, do you want a basketball hoop?
No. A snacks. Snacks.
You want a puppy?
No. It's not a puppy. It's snacks.
You want a kitty?
No. It's a tree. It's snacks.
How about a computer?
No. It's a tree.
You want a cell phone?
No. It's a snacks. Snacks.
Snacks.
Yes.
So far on the Christmas list we have snacks.
Yes.
Yes, snacks. So put that down twice. So Santa, if there's one thing I could ask you for this year, really want, what do you want?
Snacks.
Santa, can you get us some snacks?
Yes.
Yes. Make it snappy.
Bye.
Bye, Santa. As you can see, we've got him some snacks now. So, now that you're eating snacks, is there anything, with your mouth full, is there anything you can tell me now that I can tell Santa, what do you want for Christmas? I'm sorry, what? I think he's saying Xbox 360. I think it's a pretty safe bet. 360?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ha! Xbox 360. Get right on that, Santa. Hopscotch?
No.
Phone?
No.
Computer?
No.
Piano?
No.
Guitar?
No.
Drums?
No.
Sporting equipment?
No.
Kitchen equipment?
No.
Outdoors equipment?
No.
Automotive equipment?
No.
Baking products?
No.
Snacks?
Yes. A snack.
We hit a winner.
Bye, guys.
Hey, see you later, dudes.
See you, dudes.
Give me 5. Ow. Oh.
They do a snack.